Hello, YouTube. This is Jay Coder back with another stream, and today we're going to be going over how to add a favicon to your website. And if you don't know what a favicon is, that is the little icon image you see on the tab of your website. So let me show you very quickly. And if you like this kind of content, subscribe to the channel and like this video. And without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, I have Visual Studio Code open here. And if you notice at the left, you will see these files here, my HTML, CSS, and then notice this favicon ICO. So this is my favicon picture that I want on my website. So in order to use it on your own, you should put it in the same directory as your other website files, such as I went ahead and dragged it into my project here, and it's in the same directory as my other files. And then once you drag your image that you want to use into your directory, then you have to call it inside your HTML file. So in order to call your favicon, you will need to do the following. And let's see, can you guys see everything? Okay. Now, what you need to do is firstly, you can go to the head section, and then we're going to go ahead and use the link tag. And so we're going to begin with link, kind of like you did with the style sheet. And I also have a style sheet that changed the color of my website, so you might see like a unusual color. That's because I have a style sheet with those colors on right now. And so you start with the link, and then you set the rel to icon, and then I'm going to say the type. The type is going to be image, and then x icon, and then we're going to have the href, and then the href is going to be your where your actual file is located on your inside your website directory. And then I'm going to close this off. Sometimes when you set the href, it can automatically find which file you want inside Visual Studio Code. Now, let's go ahead and try that and see what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and yeah, remember this line here. This is the code that you will need in order to set the favicon of the website. And so, all right, as you can see, it's very small here, but as you can see, the top right or the top left here, inside this tab for my website is a small JC. And these things are very small. Remember, you're working with very small images that will fit in this little spot right here. So whenever you're creating your favicon, you have to be mindful of that it will appear right there, and it will be very small. And so, yeah, that's how you actually put the favicon on your website, and you should save that code and so that you can quickly be able to reference it. And I wanted to show you guys one more thing that will be useful. You can go to websites such as Favicon.cc. And with this website, it will allow you to create your own favicon, and you can either create a favicon from your own image where you import it, or you can create new favicon, and you can also see the latest favicons. So these are different favicons that you can utilize. Some are actually even animated. And so what I did earlier was I did create favicon, and one of the things is you can get maybe it more professionally made, but like a simple letter I did here on my own doesn't have to look perfect. Like a little J and then a little C going on here. And then gotta connect this guy. Okay. And then all right, there's my JC. And as you can see, it automatically set their favicon to the one that I just drew. So you see it up there. So that's what I wanted to show you guys today about favicons. And go ahead and, if you haven't put a favicon on your website, go ahead and put it on now. And I thank you for watching this broadcast. Please subscribe to the channel. And until next time, stay coding. All right.